What's up, guys? Welcome to my next video. Guys, I'm going to ask you a question. When was the last time you spent time in nature? Probably most of you say yesterday, last week, few weeks ago, last month, or even worse, a year. You never been spent time with nature. We are so busy with our life. We're trying to use most of the time our brain to deal with logic, information, and decision making. Also, we are so distracted by the things that we really want, desires. We are wanting to do this, wanting to do that. I want that one, I want this one. We are so distracted with technology. All we have to do is just phone is life, laptop is life, or iPad is life. I'm including myself, I'm guilty of it. So we are so distracted with everything in this world that basically we are putting too much stress on our brain. Some of the people resort in alcohol and the worst case drugs also. They say just to divert themselves, like an escape, you know. So don't be that kind of person. Of the psychologists or a lot of research and studies that in order for your brain to reboot and like there's a switch to turn off or switch off and switch on, actually all you have to do is just spend time with nature. Scientifically proven that when you spend time with nature, your brain will behave differently. When you are trying to reconnect with nature, your brain will do some amazing things inside your head. During the primal time, thousands of years ago, we are bonded with the nature. So some of us, just part of us, still feel like every time we spend time in nature, it feels like we are home. I know that we cannot escape the ups and downs of life, but we can always find calmness and comfort in nature. According to a lot of research and studies that is backed by science, nature have a lot of health benefits. Because the world is crazy, right? So when you spend time with nature, it helps reduce the stress and anxieties. And also it will help to lower your blood pressure, and of course help losing weight. When you spend time in nature, it helps develop and improve your memory. Have you ever experienced like you're putting too much effort in certain things, but suddenly you still cannot come up with a good idea? So the best thing to do is spend time with nature. You can go swimming, you go to the beach, or just go to the park with a lot of trees. You can literally sit there. It helps with your creative thinking if you're into creative industry, right? So when you spend time in nature, suddenly your brain will suddenly boost your mental health and produce a lot of creative ideas. And then it makes you more sociable, or it makes you more happy, and improves your mood. And also it improves your sleep. In this crazy world, a lot of people are sleep deprived, and it's very unhealthy. Maybe you can spend time in nature. Maybe it helps. It didn't say that it will be the ultimate cure, it will be the solution, but it helps, it helps relax your body. And also nature has a healing abilities, especially when you're ill or sick. So they are both recovering, but the other one just spent in the city and the other one is spent in nature. Actually, almost 50%, the one spending in nature recovered very fast compared to the one just in the city. So it has scientifically proven. So it has this healing abilities, So guys, when you're too much stressed, if you need a break, spend time with nature. You can just literally sit there, just maybe meditating, try to breathe some fresh air. Guys, if you have something to say about the health benefits of nature, please comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos in the future. That's all for today, and see you again. Bye.